Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited because I will be making banana bread with my mom. Keep in mind you guys, this is my mom's first time ever baking something. She's never made cupcakes or a cake or some type of bread, but today will be the day. I'm so excited. I've only made like banana bread once in my life, so this will be like the second time, which is practically my first time again. I'm glad that I'm able to catch this on camera and hopefully it turns out good because I will be trying it. First off, we are going to go to the grocery store to get all of the ingredients that we need to make this bread. So let's go. So let's buckle up. Safety first. Vámonos. You guys, I'm so excited to do this video because I've been wanting to do another cooking / baking video with my mom. So I'm glad this is finally happening again. Okay, so let me just go get the groceries and then I'll be back to do this video. Yeah, I'm finally on my way to the grocery store. Bye! As you can see, these are all of the ingredients that we will be using to make this banana bread. I will leave all the ingredients in the description below. Okay, you guys, I'm finally back home. I'm gonna introduce you guys to my mom because she will be helping me make this banana bread. So I'll be introducing to you guys to her right now. Her name is
María.
and this will be her first time making bread. ¿Cómo te sientes?
Contenta.
¿Nerviosa?
No tanto, pero sí, pues ahorita con este tiempo se antoja un panecito calientito, recién salidito del horno.
So we will be showing you guys how we are going to make this bread, so keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first step is you're gonna want to preheat your oven before you start mixing your ingredients together. Make sure you preheat your oven at 350 degrees so you can have it ready to go for your bread. So for the very first step, you're gonna want to spray your pan with some butter spray, or you can do it the old-fashioned way and put some actual butter so that your ingredients don't stick onto the pan while being in the oven. Next, you're gonna want to use 1 cup of flour. As you can see, I'm using all-purpose flour by the brand El Rosal.
Es mi primera vez, so don't laugh.
No, ya valió.
¿Sí, no?
Ok, se van a poner una cucharada y después van a poner half a cup. Y lo van a poner en un bowl mediano, que no esté tan grande ni tan chiquito. For the next step, you're gonna be adding baking soda and salt. Only 1 teaspoon into your flour. Échele morrilla. Ta-da! Next, with a half a teaspoon, you will be using baking powder and cinnamon. So all of that will be going in the same bowl as your powders. Woo! Okay, after you're done adding those items, you will be putting in 1 cup of sugar. We will be using Morena pure cane sugar. Woo! Ahora lo vas a menear. Chocolate. So you want to give a good mix of all your ingredients together. Okay, you guys, so the next step, in another bowl, you're gonna use your bananas. Make sure your bananas look somewhat like this, and if they are more brown, that is better because it'll give it like that sweeter taste compared to when they're like just full on yellow. It has like a bitter taste. We will be using 2 bananas and smashing them up until they are like a liquidy consistency. You're going to start by peeling both of your bananas and put them in a medium bowl and start smashing them with the fork. Okay, guys, so once you're done smashing your banana, it should look like this, like really liquidy. So you see it moves around. So that's how you want it to look. Next, we will be using 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. So let's put them in the bowl. Next, you will be using half a cup. You're gonna put vegetable oil. So the next final step, you're gonna put pure vanilla extract. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, so the next step is you're gonna use pure vanilla extract. You're gonna use 2 teaspoons. So as you can see, I have 1, so we're gonna have to do 2. Pues si ya está grabando. So there's 1. We need 1 more. Oh. Maybe it's gonna taste a little bit sweeter. You're gonna want to mix everything well before you pour in your dry ingredients. Y lo van a batir todo junto. Y se debería de ver así. Haz de cuenta como que estás preparando la masa para hacer pancakes. Así mero. Revesa, de revesa. Eso, ráspale, morría, ráspale. Que no quede nada, que no quede nada. Dale plato limpio. Okay, once you put everything in your pan that you will be using, we're just gonna sprinkle some pecans and walnuts with the batter like this. Así. So next, in a Ziploc bag, put your pecans so that you're able to smash them up into little pieces, into little crumbs. So we have pecans and walnuts too. Dijiste son muchos.
Como yo, toda inflada.
Make sure your walnuts and pecans are well mixed. Your bag should look like this. It should be all smashed up, just like this. And we will be putting it on top of our batter.
¿En zigzag también o?
Sí. Así, ya con eso. Next step, we're gonna put this in the oven. Okay.
Dámelo.
Sí. Adiós. Listo. Okay guys, so we put our batter in the oven. It's baking right now, so I just want to ask my mom, how does she feel after making her first banana bread ever? ¿Cómo te sientes?
Me siento emocionada y a la vez un poquito nerviosa porque es la primera vez que hago un banana bread, pero como soy buena cocinera, me va a salir bueno.
I'll give you guys like honest opinions on how it tastes. Let's hope for the best.
Así fue como quedó nuestro pan.
Listo.
Listo,
¿Y qué tal? ¿Cómo huele? Rico.
Delicioso.
Okay guys, so my mom's gonna try her bread for the first time.
Delicioso.
¿A qué te sabe?
A banana bread. De verdad, chicas, que les gusta cocinar, se los recomiendo para estas épocas navideñas. Como un postrecito, miren qué delicioso y exquisito se mira.
This came out super delicious. I want to show you guys how it looks up close. Oh. So I'm gonna take a little bite for you guys. Put some milk on the side. That was it for today's video. If you guys want to recreate this banana bread with your family or your friends, or you want to take it to a get together, or a family reunion. I will leave all of the recipe down below in the description if you guys want to recreate this banana bread. Also, you guys, if you guys are new here to my channel, welcome. You're very welcome here. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm just gonna ask my mom, like, what does she think about her pan for the first time? ¿Cómo crees que salió por tu primera vez?
Estoy súper admirada porque por ser mi primera vez no se me pegó en el molde.
Déjales enseño.
Ajá.
Miren.
Miren, y pueden ver, miren, limpio, Para ser la primera vez, estoy súper sorprendida.
As you can see, we finished it all. If you guys do recreate this bread, please make sure you tag me. And yeah, guys, happy holidays. I hope you guys are having a good year. Until next time, bye.
Bye.